Hello. So I cut it bottom of my jeans because I wanted to make shorts of them. And then I just left them in the wardrobe, but currently I need jeans, so I really need to finish them. You basically cut them in that direction and then double check if both legs are same length. I prefer clean lines, so what I am going to do, I'm just going to fold the bottom of my shorts, make it a little bit clean looking. And in this video I will show you just how to do it, so it's going to look nice. So basically you will just take your shorts and you will fold the bottom of your legs. I probably did just something like around 2 centimeters. It's up to you how you want to fold it, but I did around 2 centimeters, and then just iron over that. Just make sure it's staying in the way how you like it. Then also double check if other side of your leg is folded in same way. As you can see, it was like completely something different, so always double check. And again iron over that. So once when you are happy, just fold it this again and iron whole folded part again. As you can see, I'm just taking my time with that. It's better to play with this and then have it everything nicely folded, then just do it quickly and then you will have to redo it. Okay, so this is his second leg. As you can see, it's starting to look really nice. Just trying to make it secure. Okay, so this is how it looks like once when both legs are folded. I think it's really cute. And now I'm just going to secure and sew over that already sewed part, so it stays secured. Here we are. So you can see there are some extra stitches which I made with sewing machine. It's not going to unfold anymore. So now it's time to try them again. I am happy how they look like. It's something what I definitely use around house often. It's jean shorts, very comfortable.